Most people think chiropractic is just about cracking your back. The truth is, that's the least interesting part of what Dr. Sarah does.
Exactly. So that cracking sound, it's really just gas releasing in between the joints. What actually matters is that we're getting more movement in between the joints, in the end letting you move better.
But you must get a lot of people asking, can you please make my spine sound like bubble wrap?
No, literally all the time, and I promise I can do that. But in the end, what really matters is how you're feeling after the treatment and how your body is moving.
And you have to admit, popping bubble wrap does feel really satisfying.
It's satisfying, yeah. The funny thing is, most patients don't even come in for major injuries. What I'm seeing most is everyday stuff like headaches, stiffness, tension from sitting too long, and that's where chiropractic can actually make a big difference.
So who keeps you busier, athletes or people injured by spreadsheets?
Honestly, desk jobs have caused way more issues than sports.
Right? Excel has injured more backs than deadlifts.
No, it really has. And for the people who are active, chiropractic isn't just about pain relief. It's about improving performance. So lifting better, running smoother, and recovering faster. And that's really where my background in sport fuels that side of my practice.
So yeah, chiropractic's not just about the crack, and it's not just for athletes either. Sarah's here to keep you moving no matter what's holding you back.